really proud to be delivering infrastructure here in Greater Shepparton. Projects like the Lenne St drainage upgrade are critical. AQUATEC is delivering a precast stormwater pumping station, which essentially helps move stormwater efficiently during heavy rain events. Adding functional infrastructure like this not only eases pressure on local waterways, but also supports regional growth. We work end to end, from design through to commissioning, to make sure the system is reliable and built to last. It's great to be working alongside Jarvis Delahey and contributing to the infrastructure that directly benefits the local community. If you'd like to find out more about how AQUATEC can aid in the design and construct of your next project, please reach out to our friendly sales team or visit our website at aquatecenviro.com.